Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X5M and the X5M50d. We will explore their distinct characteristics, from their powerful engines to their unique driving experiences. This comparison will help you understand which high-performance SUV best suits your needs. Let's dive into the details of these two impressive BMW models right away. The X5M boasts a formidable 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 petrol engine, delivering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.7 seconds. In contrast, the X5M50d features a 3.0-liter quad-turbo inline-six diesel, producing 400 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque, achieving 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds. The X5M is clearly the speed king. Beyond raw power, these vehicles offer different driving dynamics. The X5M provides a more aggressive, track-focused experience with its petrol engine, prioritizing outright performance and agility. Conversely, the M50d, with its diesel engine, excels in long-distance comfort and effortless cruising. Its substantial torque makes for relaxed driving, while also offering impressive fuel efficiency, averaging around 35 miles per gallon combined, significantly better than the X5M's 15 miles per gallon. So, which X5 is right for you? If you crave exhilarating, track-ready performance and a petrol V8 roar, the X5M is your ultimate choice. However, if you prioritize immense diesel torque, superior fuel economy, and a comfortable, powerful daily driver for longer journeys, the X5M50d stands out. Both offer luxury and performance, but cater to distinct driving philosophies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.